how to remove a stuck bit from a DeWALT Impact Driver. Now, there's no one solution fits all, but what I always recommend is getting some WD-40 or some other lubricant, placing the DeWALT Impact Driver down like that, then getting your lubricant and spraying it in the chuck and around the bit. You can also, if it is coming forward, push it forward and spray some lubricant in there, but make sure it's nice and all around the chuck area here and the bit. Then you simply want to leave that for a few hours, preferably 24. Then you want to come back and see if it was removed once you pull back the sleeve. If it doesn't, what you could try and do is gently tap the bit. Don't do it so it breaks your chuck section here, just tap it gently in different directions, because what could have happened is that if it's been in a long time, a bit of dirt or some rust has made them jam together, and hopefully that lubricant will loosen it, and also a little gentle tap. Then once you've tried all that, you want to get some mold grips, grip the collar here, pull it forward with your mold grips, and then get some mold grips to grab the stuck bit and pull it out, and hopefully that'll remove it. There's some practical tips to remove a stuck bit from a DeWALT Impact Driver. Now, there is some demonstrations on the internet how to completely remove the back and take out the chuck, but hopefully all you'll need is some lubricant here in the end, and let that do its magic, and you should release any stuck bits. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.